Welcome to the video. This is a very quick look at one of the new products from Flyduino. Those are the guys that do all the KISS stuff and actually built a quadcopter back in, I think it was April 2016, where I used entirely KISS technology. So it was a KISS flight controller and it was the KISS 24 amp ESCs that went together in a little cradle. And it is one of those things that just flies amazingly well. If you want to build something and you don't want to go down the Betaflight, CleanFlight, iNav route, you want to do something a little bit different, then the KISS technology is a real good alternative. Now the challenge, of course, is the KISS stuff is not the cheapest stuff around. It isn't open source, it isn't being copied and cloned all the time. But that should hopefully mean if you do have a problem, then at least you're going to get support and be able to return a faulty product. Now these things here are the new versions of their speed controllers. These are the KISS ESC 2 to 6S capable 32 amp 32-bit brushless ESCs. Now these are very similar to the ones that I used in that build back in April 2016, which were the 24 amp ones. Now the amazing thing about this is these suckers actually run D-Shot 2400. I think we're starting to get to the point now where we're getting beyond what you can physically do with the motors and props, because we're dealing with physical systems out there on the arm, dealing with wind resistance and momentum and friction, all those kind of things that happen out in the motor. But you can definitely get the signals very quickly into these ESCs. Now these ESCs are really developed for those really heavy weight applications where you want to deliver ridiculous amounts of power. They'll also burst up to 40 amps, but if you're going to use them with 6S, you're going to need to pop a capacitor on these things to protect them. Wiring is exactly the same, so if you have the 24 amp units and want to upgrade, you can just drop these straight in. Again, they provide the telemetry back out to the flight controller. All the KISS technology in the flight controllers have that built in, so you can get information about not only the individual currents that each of the ESCs are providing, but also details about the temperature and all that goodness. And as of 3.1, I think it was, in Betaflight, the telemetry is also supported in Betaflight as well. So just very quickly wanted to show you these things. I always like getting new stuff in from KISS, and now I need to find a project that's going to be worthy of these cool little ESCs. Thank you for taking the time to watch that video, and particularly for watching right to the very end. We try and release a video on Tuesday and Friday, and sometimes we'll release 1 or 2 extra ones in a week as well. All of the videos on the channel are organised into easy to use playlists, so do have a look in there, because if you're interested in a subject, we organise all the videos on that subject so you can find them easily all together in one place. If you like what we're doing, then please like and subscribe and tell others about the channel so they can come and join as well. We're available in all of the usual social media places, particularly in places like Instagram, Twitter, and we also share all of our 3D designs on Thingiverse.